Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks. We pour a glass, toss it up. Air Max 1s on my feet, throw them up. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks. Kicking game on drinks and libations. Sipping on it slow, keeping with the patience. Freeze on my feet, you know I stay racing. Drinking straight up, ain't nobody chasing.
All right, well, I got 2 over here. We might be able to get all these in. We'll see. With these, I'm gonna send a shout out here to the fellas, our other friends, mainly Vic and James, because Vic and James and I cross paths on sneakers
quite a lot, quite a bit,
and their sharing of sneakers in our chats is starting to infringe on our situation here.
It is.
And so I'm like, I need you to chill, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about when you see these. Go ahead and grab a pair of those, brother. Go ahead and grab those right there.
So how do I get myself out of an attempt? I tried to get these.
You tried to get these?
Today. Because they came out today.
No, you didn't. I got these.
Well today's the 11th. Well, that was the advanced thing for the general.
Yeah, I got them off of Packer.
Okay.
Packer released them
a week before. Because
here right after the day after we shot. I got mine in. So they had already been shipped out.
Actually, Salehi himself, he had the official release and all that on his.
These not Salehis. These just New Balance Lunar Year drinks.
Yes.
And Packer had them on the side.
Forgive me. I guess I just shot myself in the foot for what I attempted to get today. You are correct.
Yeah.
And Vic just put these in the
he just put these in the chat. And you responded to it, and I ain't say nothing because I already had them sitting there.
I saw them, and I was like, I saw these, and they were dope. Yes.
Colorway.
Forgive me.
Beautiful. Yep.
These are tough, and they're even tougher in person.
Yeah, these are tough. These are dopey.
So the pictures online only show you this side. So you don't see all of the intricate details on the other side of the toe.
Yup.
And I mean, to be honest, it's the colorway of how this looks on that side that make these nuts. All right, so let's get involved.
It's a lot.
There's a lot happening here. A lot happening here. So I got to do it.
The year of the runner.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go with 7 colors if we count the neutral gray and the tonal gray and I don't even know, like a sail? What this is?
They're going with
it's a Nike thing, but then you got 2 different, then you got that overlaid on the gray itself. It's crazy. But this, it's got the Easter colors here.
It sure does.
Huh? We've got baby shower pink.
Baby shower pink. It gets me every time.
Yeah, baby shower pink. And we know how I feel about baby shower pink.
She's having a girl.
This light yellow. I don't know what this, it's not.
I just
like
looked at your sweater too.
Yeah, right? But it's like the color of the box. Just a lighter color of this box. This tealish.
Oh yeah, like
here.
a teal thing.
That's dope. And then you've got the blue with this like plastic thing around the
heel.
The heel.
Yeah.
But it's stitched in. So it's stitched in around the edge.
And just to say the 1906, this is the 1906 U, they call it.
Yeah.
I think his is the R, Salehi's. Those are 1906s also.
Yeah.
The New Balance is going crazy with 1906s right now.
Yeah, because his have a bunch. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So, the blues are different. While I thought they were the same color blue on the end and this, it's definitely lighter.
It's lighter on the end.
It's lighter. So there's another. Oh, wait a stinking second. The N is a ribbon.
It sure is.
Is that the ribbon?
Ribbon.
Is that the ribbon? So all my Seinfeld junkies will know exactly what I'm talking about there. It's, but There's more to it. So it's not just the ribbon. It's the actual ribbon from the eyelet that goes through.
Yep, on both sides.
Let me take a drink.
It's a lot, yo.
I gotta take
It's
a
a
drink.
lot of detail they put into these, B.
Okay.
Crazy.
I feel like I'm all over the place. Let me get myself back together. All right, so we've got the regular black sole. We've got whatever this color is here. We've got the baby shower pink. We also have a hard plastic for the baby shower pink
On the bottom piece.
on the bottom, which I'll get into that, what I noticed about that in a second. Then you've got this, you've got the yellow, which we've talked about in other episodes on New Balance because it's an actual running shoe.
Yep.
This color is supposed to identify pronation stuff. The pink shows up again on the inside here of the sole. So it's basically like a skeleton underneath that the pink pops out on both sides. Then you've got this light blue. Then you've got this light gray netting that goes throughout the
whole
entire,
upper.
the whole sneaker. And then everything is laid above and below that.
Yep.
So right here, there's an underlay of, there's just so many lines that continue all the way through even some of the hardware.
Man, it's a lot.
So like, for instance, this blue incorporates a few different lines. There's the pink plastic line that runs from the bottom here through the foam into the blue. There's another set of lines that leave the blue plastic on the back, come under this underlay and go underneath the N. There is another set of lines that bring that work into the yellow on this side of the sneaker. Then you've got, what is this material?
Right
Because
here, right?
this is like a leather underneath here
It's like a
with
almost
some 3M stuff on
a
it.
canvasy kind of thing.
And then there's this canvas part on the toe.
with the holes
These
in
are masterfully.
it. Yeah,
There isn't a single,
they left no stone unturned, yo.
and then the shoestrings aren't gray. There's like a light pink tint in them.
Trina was saying, she said, I see like purple up in these.
Yeah, there's a tint to it to match what's happening on the tongue. With the gray and the pink on the NB on the tongue, this lays over top of it and blends right in.
Can we say a gray with a hint of blush?
Blush.
Blush.
Easter egg lilac.
Oh, we had blush versus Easter egg lilac. I'm going with the Easter egg lilac.
Dip your eggs.
I don't know. I think it's
No, it's a blush.
I think it's a blush.
It's a blush going on there.
I like the lilac. I'm a lilac type of guy.
I'm from Rochester, New York. We have a lilac festival up there.
Word.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah. Lilac
crazy.
festival every year in Rochester.
You learn something
No,
about
no,
the people
no,
you
no,
know
take me
every day.
I'm not taking you there. You want to get shot?
At the lilac?
It's the Lilac Festival. You will
I know,
die.
yeah, exactly.
You will
Come
die
on.
amongst the lilac.
Yes. Anyway,
These are tough, man. These
these
are
are amazing. So the summertime with these,
spring.
spring, summer.
These are
Come
made
on,
for
man.
spring.
No show.
These
My
are,
socks ain't showing.
these are stinking tough.
I love them. I love them. I ain't gonna front, son. New Balance,
This
yo.
is so much. It's like sensory overload. I didn't even talk about. There are these little gray plastic or like raised leather
Oh
pieces
yeah, right there. Yep, yep.
that follow the
All
line
around, all around.
all around.
all around.
But then they've got a debossed section right here that doesn't have the
Yup.
actual.
And the comfort on
There's
these.
a little N here. There's another N there.
The
it's
comfort
run-
on these.
I felt it. It's crazy.
What does that say? That's that,
I mean, it's New Balance, right?
In lock.
The whole purpose of New Balance
See a
is to
little
be.
In lock and pink on the joint right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Just a little touch. Yeah, it crushed those. Son.
And I assume that is functional for when you tie the sneaker, it's supposed to make them tight in that air, in that space. For the
Running.
ribbon.
For the actual running folks
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah.
I'm not running nowhere. I'm not running for no bus, no
Nowhere.
train, nothing.
He's a nut speed. They look 1,000 times better in person than they did on the picture. And get these things out in the daylight.
Forget about it, son. We gotta go to Miami. Miami.
I got some yellow polo pants. This exact same color. I would murder
There we
these.
go. There we go. Yep.
I would murder these.
Yo, Vic, yo,
Great.
chill, man.
Chill, Vic.
Chill.
Keep doing what you do, but chill, Vic.
Chill, son. I'm sitting enjoying like, yo, what is the whole empire's collapsing?
I saw, but I follow Packer. I saw him on there too. I was like,
Jesus Christ.
Wait, what? Whoa! What is this? What is the function of that?
Oh, yeah.
There's like a little breathable area right at the
No,
toe.
for no reason.
Just what is happening?
Talking about these two holes right here. Because you got
Just
the
right
little
there on
joint
the
on this
corner.
side, then you got 2 holes right there. You know, they just, listen.
We just
Explore
keep
this.
finding more and more things.
They explored the studio space.
They
Let's just say
explored
that.
the studio space. They've got a pink gum.
I just noticed this piece just now. I hadn't really noticed
The only
this
reason I
before.
noticed is because my thumb was like,
Yeah,
it's a
I
different
was just
material.
looking, when you said that, I was just looking at that like, oh, that's an interesting thing because it looks like the light pink went all the way down, but there's like something over it, right?
Yeah. They did a fantastic
'Cause you could see-
job on these.
Yeah.
It looks like they were like clear or close to clear, and then the pink from this
It's
is
underneath
coming
it.
is underneath.
Yeah, because you can see it right here. Look, you
Yeah.
can see the pink on that piece, but not on that piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Listen.
In order to get to whatever you have next, we've got to put these away.
Oh yeah.
these
But
things-
go ahead and reset for
Each
a second.
time, the thing keeps showing up with something else.
Yeah, these are tough, son. They killed those.
Crazy. son.
I don't think these are not Packer exclusive. Packer just had
No,
them.
Packer just had them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I'm
I
grabbing
looked
some
at
today,
them.
You know what I'm saying? Little something. New Balance, baby. Y'all doing the
Brown keep talking about whiskey and kicks.